Crypto prices may have bottomed out and are beginning to move higher now, which is an excellent sign to see. And who would have thought? Guys, $4,200 Ethereum. This is an excellent price, right? But look at this. The Fear and Greed Index is now showing fear. We're sitting at $113,000 Bitcoin. We're sitting at $4,200 Ethereum. And investors are showing fear. Think about it, guys. This is the bouncing point, right? This is the bottom. People are fearful, even though prices are considered high right now. Now, with that, I believe that we're going to see an excellent rebound. I believe that prices are going to move higher, and I believe that Shiba Inu coin, like these analysts say, could be nearing a breakout as the descending triangle is ready to be broken. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, Shiba Inu coin news. It is coiled for an explosive move as the descending triangle nears a breaking point. Let's just jump right into it. We've set the stage. We know that investors are showing a little fear right now. We know that prices are starting to bounce today, getting ready to move off of this 20-day moving average right here, which is a very good sign. But it says the price is consolidating around 1,250 points per coin. It says Shiba Inu coin trades in an incredibly tight range, with SHIB USDT hovering around 1257. Sell orders sit at 1257, while buy orders rest at 1258, creating one of the narrowest trading ranges in recent months. Now, here's the problem, right? When something is trading in such a consolidated manner as Shiba Inu coin is right now, people lose excitement. Right? They lose interest. People in the cryptocurrency space are very, very fickle. I don't know necessarily the right word to use here, but they need like a pump. They need some excitement. And unless they're getting some major volatility, they don't seem to be terribly excited about it. And that's what's happening with Shiba Inu coin right now. Less and less people are showing that FOMO. Less and less people are showing that buying pressure. But it will break out. SHIB is an explosive in nature cryptocurrency. Very, yes, speculative and very high risk, high reward. But when it moves fast. And the SHIB army always jumps back in. So that's what it's looking at right here. It says this compressed action represents classic accumulation where smart money builds positions while retail traders lose interest. And that is exactly what we're talking about with the emotions and the excitement. This is a descending trend line forms above the current price, creating a coiling effect. The longer SHIB remains trapped under this resistance, the more explosive the eventual breakout could be. Now, the technical setup. In a recent post on X that highlights SHIB has the power to do what it's done before, referencing the token's massive rally in history. The chart shows a descending triangle forming, a setup that can lead to powerful moves once resolved. Key resistance sits along the descending trend line, while support remains strong around 1257. A clean break above this resistance would likely trigger buying momentum, while a breakdown below could lead to further downside. Now, the overall market is rising beautifully this morning. You guys just saw we went from $4,068. We're already up to $4,209 right now. It is a very strong move to the upside, and I believe it's going to inspire some more buying as people are buying the dip, right? The dip caused some fear, but those that are out there willing to load up are doing just that. And with it, Shiba Inu coin could bounce. Shiba Inu coin could break this descending triangle. And as a matter of fact, guys, this goes all the way back. This is probably a monthly chart here. This is the 8,800 point per coin all-time high that SHIB hit. This is the 4,500 point per coin high in March of 2024. The 3,500, 3,300 point per coin that Shiba Inu coin hit at the end of 2024, beginning of 2025. And you can see that we are ready to break out of this range. Resistance right now holds at about the 2,000 point per coin mark. If broken, Shiba Inu coin could explode like it's done in the past. And I believe that after such a consolidated, slow 2025, that is exactly what's in store. So I continue to load up, guys. One of the places that I am buying is the KSEX exchange. You guys got a link for that down in the description below. I think you got a link for Kucoin down there if you guys are international traders. Kucoin is actually one of my favorite exchanges to use. They don't let you use it in the United States anymore, but man, if you guys are outside the U.S. or probably shouldn't do it on a VPN, but if you guys are outside the U.S., they got trading bots. They got a lot, so make sure to check that out. And if I gotta say this lightly, right? If you are ready for a bull market, I'm ready for a bull market. If you believe that we got some, volatility ahead or whatever, and you don't want to get in, fine. But if you're ready for a bull market, you have to take a look at some of the meme coins that are out there currently being built. These are the explosive in nature, tiny little market cap, high risk, absolutely high reward meme coins that could explode during a bull market FOMO period. Maxi Doge takes advantage of everything that a meme coin should take advantage of. You've got the Doge dog, or the Shiba Inu dog here. You've got Pepe involved, Punk, you've got Pudgy Penguins, you've got a lot of degenerate sort of memeability, make trading illegal again, I only buy green, the Degen's manifesto. You've got all of this artwork, you've got all of this memeability, you've got an awesome community being built with near 10,000. Oh, they crossed it already. 11,000 followers out on X. People are eating this one up and ready for a big move. I am as well. I have bought into Maxi Doge, and if you guys are interested in buying in, you're going to connect your wallet. You get a link for it down in the description below. I like to use Best Wallet or Trust Wallet, up to you. Scan this QR code. If you need to download Best Wallet, I got a link for that down there as well. You simply type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Guys, I am ready for big gains. I'm not ready to sit here and watch these gains pass me by. Right? The same way so many people did in 2017, 2021, and will do in 2025. They're going to kick themselves at the end of 2025 when bull market FOMO is in full swing and people are saying, I should have just invested. Who would have ever guessed that the cycle would repeat itself? It's happening in real time right now. Take advantage of it. So if you guys need links for anything, you got links for everything down in the description below. And I do want to say thank you to everybody using that link down there for Amazon. I really do appreciate it. The channel's been demonetized. That's one of the only sources of income. So thank you very much for anybody using that Amazon link. Let me know what you guys are buying. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.